Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. This is a hassnainfiazdh and welcome to my channel SVR Gamer. This is my first video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace texture in SVR11. So let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna show you my games. Here it is. I have two games, 2K18 and 19. I'm gonna give you 2K19 texture and show you how to replace in a PC. So here we go. These are the textures. Some are created by me, some are from others such as Mr. Shahs and various YouTubers. I've created them and modified them into one patch to give you everything you need. I'm going to show you gameplay of it. Okay, then there you go. See this logo. I'm going to open it. It will take a while to open because I have managed 3 games in one tablet. That's why it will be pretty slower. Okay, here we go. See, this is my logo I have created in it, and SVR11 and various other. This is the images inside it. So this is the start screen. If you want to change, I can change it as well. So here we go. Look at the main menu. It's so great. See that 2K19 logo up there. So we're gonna play one-on-one match. I'm going to play extreme rules match because I'm going to show you my crowd also. So I'm going to play John Cena, or if you want to see texture of the wrestler, created wrestler, I'm going to give you Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar and Shinsuke Nakamura. And the title title textures are also replaced as well. I'm going to start right away. So here we go. I'm going to skip this one till they come on ring. Here you go. I have skipped the entrance because it takes time to load. Now I'm going to directly open wrestlers in the ring. Here we go. You can see texture. The game is pretty slower because of the screen recorder. Nonetheless, it is pretty dragging. I'm going to show you that. See, there you can see my image as well on the player. You can edit as well in Pixar. And here we go. I'm going to show you moves also. If you download my SVR ISO file, you can see there is as well like track moves and other Titrons as well and music. So I'm going to skip and this one and show you how to replace it. So I'm going to exit it and show you how to replace. I'm going to give a PSP.RAR file to you. This one is it. I'm still compressing it and after it is compressed I'm going to give it to you. You can extract it. You have to extract it in your directory file. Like this is the icon where you save, where memstick, open memstick, PSP, and paste it here inside PSP and extract here. So it will tell us that whether you want to replace these two files. Click OK and it will be replaced. Next time I create video I will show you how to replace them, but this time I can't because the file is still compressing. So you can replace them as by one file. If you have a PixArt in your PC, then you can replace one file as well. In the next video I will show you how to do that. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe so I can get a good YouTuber as well, and please comment in the below section so that I can improve my videos as well. Thank you for watching. This was hassnainfiazdh. It's goodbye from my channel. Sorry for the low sound. I will improve it in the next video. Thanks for watching.